Hey everybody, welcome to video AM-L1. So this is your first logarithmic equation solving video. I want you to take some notes here as we continue with the examples in your packet. These are logarithmic equations that you can simply use a common base to solve here. So in example 11 we're solving for x, and you can see that we have common logs on both sides. And so we can use what's called our one-to-one property to say if the log bases are the same, then the things that we're taking the logs of are also the same. So just like exponents, we can just make an equation without the logs. 5x is going to equal 2x plus 9. And then that's a simple solution there. 3x is going to equal 9. And bada bing, x is 3. So take a quick pause and see if you can solve example 12 here. It's an even number example, so make sure you're checking with the teacher for this we do example. So take a pause on your video right now. Alright, as we finish up with a second round of I do here in video AM-L1, the first logarithmic video, we're going to switch forms a little bit here to a logarithmic equation that, notice you do not see a log on each side of the equal sign. So what that's going to ask us to do is probably ask us to change the logarithm eventually to an exponential form once we get going here. Just like with exponents though, we still want to isolate the log part alone first. So I think you can see what we need to do there. We're going to add 10 to both sides, which means this equation is going to become the log base 3 of n plus 3 is simply equal to 0. So now we're going to use the definition of our log, which remember means the base to the answer equals what we're taking the log of. So if I rewrite this exponentially, it's just a simple 3 to the 0 equals n plus 3. Well, we know what 3 to the 0 equals. Anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. And if that's equal to n plus 3, then n is going to equal negative 2. So that's my answer. Okay, pause your video for a quick second and check in on this we do example with your teacher, example 14. See if you can solve for x. Pause your video now.